Good Sunday morning. This is Cody with your Sunday morning devotional for February 1st, 2026. It's the first Sunday of the month, which means it's a focus Sunday. We do these 12 times in the year. This is our second of 12, and I am excited about this month's focus. Every time that I sat down and studied for this sermon, and the more that I dug deeper into this topic, the more excited that I got. In fact, I know we're only 2 months in, but it seems like this study is by far going to be my favorite. And it's the idea of be strong and courageous. Be strong and courageous. We see that phrase a lot throughout the life of Moses, and especially in the life of Joshua, Moses' successor. And we also see it in our theme text in Haggai chapter 2 and verse 4. The New King James Version says to be strong. The New American Standard says to take courage. And the ideas are the same, that we are to live and act courageously in all that we do. Last month we started with the part of the promise where God is with us. And it was important for us to look at that reminder and see that God is with us before we move forward. Because sometimes we forget that God is there, that God will bless us in what we're doing for Him. So this month we're looking at be strong and courageous. We're going to look at why we need courageous leadership. We're going to look at why we need courageous servants in all that we do. We're going to look at how we can contribute in a courageous way to the work of the Lord. A lot of exciting stuff to talk about with this topic. And it only seems fitting to talk about having courage because our leadership is new. I'm still new. This is my 4th month. So I'm still new. We will hopefully have new deacons some point in the near future. We have a lot of new people in place. And being strong and courageous is something that we all need to hear. And this is something that we can all rally behind, not just our leadership, but also every member here at the Dover congregation. I look forward to being with you this Sunday, and I look forward to studying this great topic, and I'm greatly excited about it. Thank you all so much, and I hope to see you.